Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Nutrition Tips for 2 minutes, and today I have for you my 4 favorite snacks and they are keto friendly. First of all, I want to say that I don't do snacks. I strongly believe that you should be eating twice, maybe 3 times a day, and that's it. Because if you are constantly eating, like snacking in between the meals, your insulin levels goes up. And when you have constantly high level of insulin, it leads to so many diseases. So those foods are more like super simple foods to grab with you when you are on the go, and you can basically bring them with you almost anywhere. So for example, if you are traveling, even in the plane, those foods are okay to grab with you. So number 1, and it was obvious, right? Since I'm chocoholic, the number 1 is chocolate. Chocolate is powerful source of antioxidants, can improve blood flow, and helps you with the high blood pressure. If you can, choose organic one, high quality, and at least 85% of the cocoa. Also check with other added substances, especially sugars and other artificial sweeteners. My favorite brand is Vivani. I will link it below. I'm not sure if you can buy it anywhere on the world, but this one is my favorite one. I usually go for 92% or 99%. Even 99% is really tasty. Be also sure to check another videos I already made about chocolate and about concerns that you should be aware. Number 2, bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee is great as a snack or even as a treat after the meal for me. And it's a coffee with collagen and oil. My recipe is quite different from the original one since I'm not able to tolerate ghee or clarified butter well. So I'm using coconut oil instead. But you can definitely modify the recipe so it will work for you. Great is that you can prepare it at home and again bring it with you. So it can be super cheap snack. But again, be sure to check the video I linked before about the chocolate, because even coffee has some health concerns that you should be aware of. Number 3, nuts. They are super easy to carry with you and they are super nutrition dense. They can keep you full for hours and gives you nutrients you need. But again, be sure that you choose the right one, especially the low carbohydrates one like macadamia nuts or pecan nuts. As opposite of, for example, pistachios, that they are really high in carbohydrates. And last but not least, hard-boiled eggs. It's my favorite snack all the time because it keeps you again full for hours, gives you so many nutrients, and basically we can eggs call like the perfect food because they contains complex amino acids. So peel them and throw them into the container with a little bit of the salt so you can eat them anywhere, anytime you need. Okay, those are my 4 favorite keto-friendly snacks on the go. That's it for today. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!